How to make your own playlist on YouTube. First of all, we need to go to youtube.com and then log into our channel. Once we do this, we need to click in the right top corner on our avatar, and after that we need to choose from the menu over here your channel. After we click on your channel, we will be taken to this page over here. Once we are here, we need to click on Customize Channel button over here. And once we do this, we'll be taken to a website like this, and as we can see here, this channel has no playlist at the moment. So all we need to do to add new playlist is click on this button over here and then write the title of our playlist. Let's say I'm gonna write test playlist, and then we hit the blue button that says create. Right now we created our playlist, but as you can see on the right side there are no videos at the moment. So to add videos, we click edit over here, and then we will be taken to settings of our playlist, and to add videos, all we need to do is click add videos on the right side. Once we do this, a window like this opens, and we've got three options. We can either add our own YouTube videos. All we need to do is click on the video, and if it's blue around, that means it's gonna be added. So let's say I'm gonna add those two videos. Then another option is to paste direct URL address to the video we want to add, or we can also use video search and add videos from other channels. So let's say I'm gonna write the apps world, and as soon as I click search, it found some videos from the apps world. So if you want to add videos from other channels, all you need to do is click on the video, and once you click on the video, it will be added to the playlist. So I added several videos already, and now all I need to do is click add videos button in the left bottom corner, and right now all those videos, as you can see over here, were added to my playlist. So this is how you can make your own playlist on YouTube. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.